the steering.
So we're going to turn off the steering.
He's turning off the steering. As you can see from the light.
So this is the steering number 5 and steering number 5. This is high and this is low, and they're both connected to the CAN bus. Then they're connected to the whole car. So now she will try to steer it.
As you can see, no steering as there was before.
And then we can go back and show this. We can turn that off, go back to here, turn that off, and then she can try steering once again.
Okay.
Good.